Talk.
All right, Tint Talk here. Like and subscribe. I'm back with another one. We're here, and we're close. We are close to starting this car and getting it done. I guess it just depends how you look at it. But yeah, guys, I've been around. I know I've my videos come out like once a month now, and my episodes are slacking on my episodes, but trying to get as much content as I can out for you guys as best as possible. But we're tinting today a Ford F150 extended body. I think I don't know, it just says EXT. I don't know if that stands for extended, however you want to call it, but that's just what it says, so that's what I'll go with. But that's what we're doing. I'm doing this one today, and that is a lot of grit, man. Truck windows at the top, it's so dirty. Truck windows are those things to where you'll clean the top and you'll still get the contamination bumps if you don't use a towel. You have to use a towel on the top brim of trucks to get it like super duper clean. So it's a good little trick. So that way, now when I lay it, I'm not gonna get those bumps anywhere. As long as I squeegee all the matter and everything off, you should be fine. But yeah, they're here in the building, I'll tell you. Alrighty. This air or heater or something is on in this car that I need to turn off. I'll address it as soon as I can. See, boom, you know, now I cleaned it like that. You don't see the little contamination specks on the top, so that's how you defeat that problem on the trucks. A lot of you probably didn't know that, but you know now. And we are installing 2% high-tech film on here. So everybody asks, what film do you use? What film do you use? This is 2% high-tech, the darkest 5% film that I have personally ever come across. This is it right here. This stuff, it's almost like you can barely see out of this stuff. Yeah, it's really hard to see out of. It's extremely dark. I'm not gonna say it's like jet black from the outside, because that's like almost impossible to do unless you literally hit it with a double layer. But then again, like, you cannot see out of it, so I guess that's why, you know, this is 2. I've seen 3%, but dropping down to 2, this is like unbelievably dark to see out of. Looking in, it's not quite jet black when you close it. I guess it is like jet black when you close it. It is jet black. So yeah, this is a dark film. Darkest I came across, and again, it's a tint tech, or not, it's a high-tech films. So yeah, I won't put links in my descriptions because nobody pays me to do that kind of stuff. And even with, you know, affiliate programming, it's cool and all, but as for me putting links in anymore, I really won't do that. And this will really be the last brand that, you know, I even give props to or call out and say that I'm working with, because I don't want the channel to kind of go in that direction of, you know, well, what film is this? What film is, like, I don't really, I want to kind of get off of that subject, honestly. But I kind of want to add more to the channel than being another cliche tint channel. So yeah, at least for rating films, this or that. Yeah, this would be about the last time I answer any of these questions on film. But yeah, besides that, we're here. We're here and we're in action. And I'm tinting with high tech today. Yeah, let me turn off this air conditioner. That'll be a little better. That'll be a little easier to deal with. Bum 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 bum. Yeah, got that there. Whew, that was a close one. And if anybody's wondering, I'm using the high-tech handheld card. It's cool. I like it so far. This I know people think they've seen this before, but they haven't. These are a lot more aggressive spikes on these hard cards. So, and these ones are pretty cool. Looks like they redesigned it and fixed the spiky ones, because the spiky ones were messed up for so long. But I guess this new design is a little better. Kind of negates all the old flaws that the old ones have. Papa Booey. Yeah, this is black, man. This is definitely got to be the darkest I've seen for sure. But hey, everybody got their own opinions with it. Over here though. Fill my sprayer. Got a quick reload. Reload. Remember the old Sega game back in, I think it was called like Time Crisis or something. Reload. Oh, I didn't pop this one off. Oh. Papa Booey. All right. Give you guys a little look here how I do the back glasses, I guess. I scrub it. Now these scrub carts got a lot of fuzz on them, so you got to have a lot of uses on these scrub carts for them not to give you no more fuzz no more. That's just how that goes. So I just do that. And I know a lot of you squeegee, but I don't squeegee after this point on these type of windows anymore. I felt just better to wipe all the dirt, then I come back and then I squeegee. Sure I get all of this as clean as possible. Papa Booey. And I just got my sprayer and reach on top of the car. And oh wow. Okay. Did I roll that backwards? Oh, yes, I did. So I rolled it backwards. Usually I go left to right. This is going to be a lot different than what I usually do, so this is going to feel kind of weird, but it should be okay. That's what happens when you change your ways rolling. Still get it pretty in pretty good. Papa Booey. Right. If any fingers come up on this one, this truck is really easy to get the fingers out of. So I'm not worried about that at all on this one. You can get them out by drying them with the towel and water, or you can just get them out with your heat gun. Either way, these ones aren't bad, so I'm gonna dry the fingers for now, and then later on I'll come back to and fine tune anything else. I like to go through all the edges, get all the water up there, and dry it all up so it won't come back down in my film. It's a lot of reason you guys get fingers sometimes when you do that. But yeah, boom, Baba Booey.